What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Sweeterman. Today is such an amazing weather. Today still is the actual first day that the market is gonna reopen, or the businesses, the small businesses, they can reopen here in Montreal. I don't know in the other provinces, so I don't know about that, but today Montreal, they're actually gonna be open today. So we're gonna go out. Also, we're gonna go downtown, Montreal downtown, to the Orange Julep. If you don't know what that is, it's the big orange sign, and you can get fast food, drinks, and all that stuff. So we're gonna go there, and I'm gonna try to go get my car clean as well, and also try to apply the ceramic coating on it. We'll see. I don't know yet, but without further ado, let's get this video started on deck. Y'all. Alright, so we're out here at actually the car wash. I was supposed to get my detailer to do it for me, but unfortunately she couldn't do it for me. It is what it is. So I'm taking it to this other car wash that just opened today, which is great. Hopefully they can apply that coating for me, and we should be blessed, you feel me? Then after that, we're gonna grab some food, go downtown, like I said, to the Orange Julep, and then get something to eat, you feel me? Man's hungry. Aight, yalla. Here's the issue. So I went to the car wash to get the car done. Alright, no big deal, right? Got the interior exterior wash, it's clean. So first of all, they didn't clean the wheels. Like, I'm gonna show you. You guys seen that? They didn't clean the wheels, they didn't clean the tires. I just applied tire shine just now, but the wheels are super dirty, and it just came out from a car wash. And this is the tire shine that I just did on my ones. You can see on the other side, it's super dirty, never touched. And obviously I just had to do it myself. I applied the coating. I'm going to explain to you guys why I applied the coating on it. So the front has been the coating has been applied. That's good. And the side, I mean, I already have ceramic coating on it. I just had to put the ceramic sealing on it, so it just lasts a little bit longer. But I mean, you can't really tell the difference right now on camera, but once you hear, you can tell the difference. But it is what it is. So anyways, what really happened was this car wash, it's on the First Avenue here in Lachine. Okay, so it's just right next to the Circleplex. If you live in Lachine, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So our car wash, actually, they're super rude. Their fitnesses, they try to call man, you feel me? But it is what it is, you know. So here's the thing, I do have a bottle like the ceramic sealing, which I asked them, yo, just apply that for me, whatever, I'm gonna pay you guys extra, it is what it is. So they're like, sure, we're gonna charge you 75 bucks to apply spraying. It takes you about 10 to 15 minutes to just spray it and then try it down. You already cleaned the car. I was gonna pay them 25 bucks to do it. They're like, nah, we're gonna charge you $75 to apply spraying. You bring your own product and they're gonna charge you $75 for like a 10 to 20 minutes job. Like, what is wrong with y'all? It's like, you know what, never mind, it's all good. So the car wash just said interior exterior, it's $18. So I came to go pay the $18. They tell me $25. I'm like, how did you get your $25? Like, if you had to put taxes, sure, it won't be 25 because one tries 15%. Do the math, it's not 25. So I'm like, what? You make no sense. Like, I don't care about spending the extra $7. It is what it is. But don't sit here and tell me it's $25, which is not $25, because you're trying to co-op me and try to get an extra $7 out of me. So went back and forth and went back and see the manager, and the manager, so the first guy told me was the reason why it's an extra $7 was because he sprayed a coating inside the car. I'm like, bro, you didn't even tell me that you're gonna do that and charge me money. You just did it on your own. How do you make sense? He's like, oh, don't worry about that, it is what it is. I'm like, what are you talking about? It is what it is. I'm like, yo, your price is $18. How are you gonna sit here and charge me $25? So he's like, that's the price, don't worry about what's on the board, it is what it is. I'm like, nah, nigga, are you dumb? So the other guy stepped in and he was like, oh, we used your own spray to pretty much spray the car inside the interior. I'm like, so what, you're gonna charge me $7 to use my own product? It's like, yeah. I'm like, you know what, fuck it, I'm not gonna sit here and argue with you guys over $7. It's fine, it is what it is. I'm gonna give you your $7 and, you know, get on with my business and just freaking fuck off and go. I'm hungry, you feel me? I'm hungry, I want to eat. So I'm not gonna argue over $7 with some waste man, you feel me? But it is what it is. So yeah, like if you live in Montreal or in Lachine, make sure the First Avenue, if you're gonna go there to go clean your car, they don't really do a good job to clean your car. So it's really shit. You want to make sure you inspect your car, make sure you make sure they clean it properly. Like I was such in a hurry, I was pissed off, I just wanted to get the fuck out of there. So yeah, that's pretty much what happened. I'm gonna go back home and then apply this ceramic coating spray again on my wands. It's just unfortunate. I just thought we were gonna be professional about it. And yes, another thing, when people see you with a nice car and you bring it to get it serviced, they just automatically think, you know, you're shitting money. So that's pretty much what happened. They were trying to finesse me from the get-go by charging me or upselling me, even to charge me that $75 because they're trying to call our mans. But you know, mans is smart. We're from the street, we know wagwan, you know. So yeah, that's what it is. Make sure, you know, you guys, you know, like, subscribe. We're gonna be going to the orange julep and then get some food. Man's hungry, you feel me? Get some gas and then get on with the day. Aight, yalla. Hi yo, welcome to Orange Julep Montreal. Like I said, the circle, the orange ball in the back, but the lineup is crazy. So man's ain't gonna try to go there to get eat. We're probably gonna go somewhere else, but I was hoping we could find, like, you know, cool cars. The parking is pretty, it's hectic, like nothing right now at the moment. The only thing looking good so far, it's me, you feel me? Man's looking was fresh, but that's the lineup right there. It goes all the way in the back, and that's the orange ball, like I was saying. But trying to spot some cars for you guys, but can't really get any cool cars, so it is what it is. We're probably gonna come back in another day and then probably, you know, spot proper cars, feel me? And you have the Range over there, right there, the Rover, and yeah, it's cloudy though, it's just cloudy, so it is what it is. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Aight, yalla. Alright, so we're gonna eat over here, La Maison du Carré. I guess I said it properly. It is what it is. So I think it's an Haitian restaurant. It's the second time I'm coming here actually. It's pretty good. So if you're in Montreal, I'll actually recommend you coming here. They have good food. And there's a tunnel down there where you guys can go raft through it, you feel me? I might probably go down there again, we'll see, I don't know yet. And the orange julep is just like 5 minutes away that way. So yeah, and then yeah, we're gonna eat, then probably go back home and then see wagwan. Aight, yalla. It's a wrap, eh? But anyways, beside the incident we had at the car wash, the day was pretty aight, whatever. So we pretty much purchased the food from the La Maison, whatever I showed you guys before, the Haitian restaurant.
It's not Haitian.
What restaurant?
Caribbean Curry House.
Is it Haitian? No?
No, it's Caribbean.
Okay, it's a Caribbean restaurant. Haiti is on an island, right? Yeah, so it's the same thing. Haitian, whatever, it's an island.
It's not Haitian, we don't have the same food.
Caribbean people and Haitian people have the same food.
No, we don't.
Yo, Caribbean people and Haitian people, isn't that the same thing? Not the same thing, but like, I mean, like food wise.
No,
like,
it's not.
You all eat rice.
It's not the same rice. This is rice and peas.
And Caribbean people, Haitian don't eat rice and peas?
They call it something else.
Yeah, but it's the same. Oh my god, bro. Anyways, so I'm gonna show you like exactly what we got. What I'm eating. I'm gonna eat some rice and stew, right?
Oxtail.
Oh my god, okay. Rice and oxtail. Okay, but anyways, so rice and oxtail on deck. So if it's your first time, you know, watching my channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, like, and all that stuff, you feel me? And I appreciate all of you guys, you feel me? So yeah, put that thumbs up and browse the channel for more. Alright, y'all.